Hello, I'm Aaron with Carolina Bamboo, and this little quick video is going to just be an introduction to our split kit and what it's about, and kind of give you some information on how it's generated. So right now I'm working on a hexagonal basket, which is the new one that my mentor just taught me. It's the final pattern for me for traditional Japanese basketry. So that's what I'm working on right now as a project to make a basket, and so I just want to show kind of how your split kit gets generated. Unless it's a custom order. So these are my pieces. They're 42 inches long, and this is going to be composed the body of the hexagonal basket. And so what I've already done is split it in what's called a hirawari split, which is where I've taken a full cane, split it in half, and then you can see I've got this marked, and these are 7 millimeters wide because that's for the basket I'm making. I need 7 millimeters. I could do any dimension though, in the event you want a custom order. So the hirawari split is this. Now I'm going to do what's called a masawari. So now I'm going to start splitting the inner wood off, and that generates a few things, and you'll see those as we go here. So this first one generates what the Chinese have called the yellow. Okay, and the yellow is basically, they traditionally used it for paper making, and that's about it. It's good kindling or tinder for fire, more kindling than tinder. But it goes in this bucket right now, and that basically we turn into charcoal, which you can also buy from us. So this would be sort of the snap to size charcoal once this gets turned into charcoal, but that's not good for weaving. You can certainly use it for other crafts. If you're interested in that material, you can get it really cheap from us. I mean, the shipping will cost more than you're paying us for it. The next one, now I'm going to do another masawari. So this piece now is what I call the skin off. It produces the skin on and the skin off. So I'm after the skin because I'm making an artistic basket. And this is also green bamboo that's been fire treated. So typically I'll use cured bamboo for making baskets, especially art baskets, but I'm learning this new one, and green bamboo is easier to bend. So now what we have is two things. This is the skin on still. Now this is what I'm going to use for my basket. And this roughly 0.7 millimeter thick by 7 millimeter wide by 42 inches long. This piece is going to be the same. The only difference is this piece does not have the skin on it, right? Which one thing you can do with this is, if you're interested, you could dye this to make it a different color for whatever you want. Now we do use this for teaching basketry classes. It's good for learning. It bends really well too, especially when it's green. But it does shrink a little bit. My mentor has just told me green bamboo will shrink. I have made baskets out of green bamboo. I've not seen a problem with shrinkage, but you know, I just want to put that out there. And it's not always going to be green. Sometimes it's going to be cured if I'm making a basket with cured bamboo. So in this case, what we'll have available is 42 inch by 7 millimeter, 42 inches long by 7 millimeter wide by about a millimeter, a little under a millimeter thick. And then this is going to be what will turn into a split kit with this bucket here. And there'll be about, I think I have about 40 or so pieces right now that I'm going to use for this basket. And so that I'll just bundle up, and then that'll be online and for sale as a split kit. So, and that's just what is now. That's just what we have right now, because that's what I'm generating right now. But as I said, we're custom orders by all means. If you're interested in something custom, you want skin on, you want whatever, you know, dimensions you want, I can generate it. There's other stages that this goes through. I have another set of blades that I use, Mentori blades and Habatori blades for further processing. But just quickly, that's sort of what a split kit's about. So thank you for your interest.